How to send important messages in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can mark any particular message as important. So marking a message as important ensures that the receiver receives the particular message on high priority and with maximum notifications possible. So there are also high chances that your message will not go unnoticed, especially if it is marked as important. So let me show you how you can mark your important message the same. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is open any chat window. So as here you can see, I am in this conversation window, and then you can type in your important message. So let me type in an important message. And once you are done typing, what you will need to do is you can either click onto this actions and apps button, and once you will do this, you will see this option that says set delivery options. So click onto set delivery options, and currently you will have two options. The first one is standard, message will be sent as usual, and the second one is important, message will be marked as important. So once you will do this, you can see that this tag has also been attached with this. That's an important tag, and then you can send it like usual, and you can see that this message is appearing with an exclamation mark and an important tag. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, do make sure to drop a like, tell us in the comments if it helped you, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting videos. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.